Hi, good day, M6318. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Michelle Paolo Magmanla. I'm 35 years old. I live in Calapan, Oriental, Mindoro. I'm single with kids, 17 years old boy. My religion is Roman Catholic.
Your highest
I'm
educational attainment.
My highest educational attainment is high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
My experience as a helper is um,
You have three different experience,
yeah,
right? Your first employer was in Saudi.
Saudi.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
My experience was um, I'm cleaning, cooking, taking care of the kids.
Okay, and on your second employer?
My second employer was in Dubai. I was also cleaning, cooking, and uh, ironing, taking care of the kids.
Okay, then your last employer was in
In
Saudi
Saudi
again,
Arabia.
right? Saudi
Yeah,
Arabia. Tell me
Saudi
about your
Arabia.
experience on your last employer.
The same, it's also cooking, wash car, ironing, taking care of the kids also.
Kids,
With the
how old
newborn
the
baby.
newborn baby? How old the baby is?
They have two kids.
Okay.
The older one is 3 years old, and 8 months.
8 months old.
Yeah,
So you are the one who took care of them, right?
yeah,
So you have a lot of experience from Saudi Arabia to Dubai until Saudi Arabia again.
yeah.
3 years, 3 years, 3 years. So 9 years experiences as a domestic helper.
Yes,
So you have an idea how to prepare a meal for a newborn baby because you
yes,
have an experience, right?
yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature first. Also, if the baby, I will check if the baby is hungry. I will feed, give milk, and also I will check the diaper if it's full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you change the diaper, you pee the baby, you check the temperature, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call my madam or sir to tell what happened to the baby.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do
Yeah,
so that the employer be informed
yeah,
that there's happenings to the baby, right?
yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Um, no, sir, but I'm willing to learn by watching the YouTube, reading cooking books.
Okay. And also, if your mom and sir have a time to prepare food for themselves, you would also help them so that you could learn, right? Or
Yes,
ask them if they could teach you how to prepare.
yes,
If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes,
It is okay to you to share a job with a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes,
How about taking care of pets?
yes,
Taking care of elderly?
yes,
It is okay to you not to use cell phone while you were working.
yes,
It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, mom, sir, please hire me. I'm a good person. You can trust me, and I will taking good care of your baby, and I will love your family as mine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Michelle Paulo. Thank you.